Jason, you're in the vlog, bro. Part 1 of the Hatsume Fair. What the fuck is this? Come back, Jason. What's up, guys? So tomorrow is a big day. We're gonna go to the Hatsume Fair at the Murakami Museum, and then I have to go to work afterwards. So it's gonna be cut short. I'm gonna record as much as I can before the battery dies. I'm at Jason's house, and yeah, I dyed my hair, by the way. Anyways, tomorrow we're gonna meet up with a couple friends at the Hatsume Fair. So we're gonna go to bed, and I will see you tomorrow in the morning. Yo, guess who's not fucking answering?
Jam.
Fucking right there.
I know, right? What? You naked right now?
No. Yo, what the fuck?
Are you a vlogger?
Huh?
You a vlogger? Yo, hit me up on YouTube.
Yo, Jason, why is Julian and Colin not here yet?
They were too high to come into the Murakami Museum and they wanted munchies, so I was like, what the fuck?
Wait, you want some mango? They got mango for you right here.
Yeah, I'm about to like... Huh?
Alright, so we're at Murakami Museum, and Jason.
We saw Kelsey, she was hot as fuck.
Oh my god. Here, we'll show you a little picture right here. Protect my camera with your life. Here's the game plan. We're gonna eat these ghost peppers.
No, no.
Why? Don't be a bitch. So, anyways, we're at the museum now, and we're just walking around waiting for Julian and them. I don't know what else to really film because we're just kind of walking around, but my hair looks really good in this light. I guess that's it. Alright, we're recording.
Hold on, wait.
Alright, we're eating the Carolina Reapers.
Wait, what are you doing?
Are you guys ready?
I'm scared.
Do it. Do it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Julian, I gotta eat the whole piece with you. How hot is it?
Really not that bad. Really not that bad. Really not that bad.
Here, try to see.
Oh, hold on. Hold on, son. It gets worse. It gets worse.
Yo, okay, we gotta eat it. Ready?
Oh.
Eat it. Eat it. Just eat it. Dude, don't think of it. Eat it. Are you serious? Is he serious right now?
Oh. 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 Really not that bad.
Okay.
Ah. It's gonna really burn. It's nothing now, but it's gonna really burn.
I can't swallow it.
Oh, my stomach.
I swallowed it. I can't swallow it.
Dude, my stomach is feeling it.
Throw up. We can swallow.
It's too hot.
It's not that bad.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
It's getting worse. It's gonna get worse. It's not that bad.
Yeah, sure.
It's not bad. It's good. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ew.
I didn't even eat the whole thing. I literally might throw up.
You think so?
I touched it with my lip. My lip is burning so bad right now. Oh my god. Stay aware. Just
It's all
in your mind. Just don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. I'm not thinking about it. Literally, my tongue hurts. Try your best not to think about it. It's painful. Psych yourself out. Say it doesn't hurt.
It hurts like a motherfucker.
Psych yourself out. It does hurt. My nerves are going crazy. I'm trying to ignore it. Ignoring it helps. I'm not hurting right now.
Oh my god, I never want to do this again.
I'm not hurting that bad because I'm like, it literally doesn't hurt at all. Oh my god. No, it doesn't hurt. Dude, psych yourself out. Keep saying it.
Shut the fuck up, you're on fire.
It's not hurting.
This shit hurts so bad.
This helps too.
Oh, there's no more ice.
What about your stomach? My stomach doesn't hurt. Probably your acid reflux.
Alright, I'm done. Alright, so now I'm waiting for my mom, and I don't know where she is. So, yeah, I had to leave early because I have work. So this is kind of where the end of the vlog is right here.